Okay. Got it.
Keep it on for a little while. Oh, you're gonna make a mess. You know you're hungry all the time. Oh, you got it on your head. Got it on your head. Hold still. I got some on your head. Sometimes you move too quick and then I get it on your head. Come here. That good? Hmm? Yeah, you like that? There you go. I gotta get some more. Gotta get some more. Hold on.
So this shows how long the video goes.
Yeah. You tell them. You tell them I never feed you. You tell them I never feed you. Yeah, I never feed you. You can tell. You can tell you're starving, Marvin. Yeah.
Wow.
You eat all day long, don't ya? Yeah, you eat all day long. With every baby you have to eat. Doesn't matter how many times you've already eaten, does it? You gotta have a taste anyway, don't ya? Yeah. You're spoiled so much. Yes, you are. Oh, hang on. Hang on, I'm sorry. I gotta shake it.
Wow.
You're a hungry baby today.
Wow. It has been eating like for 3 minutes.
Medicine. That doesn't matter, honey.
I know.
Are you all done? Well, just on the sink. Get some on your face. Hold on. Got your nose. I got your nose. I'm sorry. I got some on your nose. Try not to make a complete mess. You wiggle too much sometimes. But you wiggle so much. You're a wiggle worm sometimes. You're a wiggle worm sometimes. Got back up. I know, starving Marvin, I know. You're so funny. You're so funny. Every bite you take is like you've never had any in your whole life. You've never had any in your whole life. Not just 2 seconds ago. Not just 2 seconds ago. Come here. Come here. really want some? Or are you all done? Are you all done? Yeah, you're all done. That's what I thought.
That's the end of the video.
All done. All done.
Time to end the video.
You need a place to poop? You need some paper so you can poop? Come here. You're still wiggling. You gotta poop. Go poop.
She's got two.
You need a paper for your poop? Go poop. Do your poop. You do your poop?
Mine.
Are you gonna do your poop before you get on my shoulder?
She's doing it.
Come on, do your poop. Are you too wound up right now to show me? Do your poop. Hey, come back and do your poop. 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 Oh, you're not listening today. Do your poop. Well, get it on the paper. Do your poop. Do your poop. There you go. That's a good poop. There you go. I knew you had to go.
There it is.
There you go. I knew you had to poop.
She went poopy, didn't she?
Yep. You can stop your paper or stop her movie now.